What is up, everybody? Back with another pair of Lowheat that we got from, as you can see, Kith. Got two pairs from there. One, a pair of New Balances, the Frank Lloyd Wright Kith New Balance collab. Check that video out, just posted it. And this pair, I entered into a raffle at Kith for the PEACEMINUSONE gdragon Nike shoes, Nike Wingtips, the Kwondo ones as they're being named, and I entered them for my lady in her size and hit. Now they're just like the Skyline Jordan 1s. These are sitting for retail in larger sizes, but in the smaller sizes, they are all sold out. So you're gonna have to pay a little bit of a resale premium if you want a smaller size. So if you're interested in these at all, check out your various retailers and see if they have your size. But yeah, it's probably going to be tough luck if you're a smaller size. They're not going for crazy money above retail, but they are going for above retail, plus you have to pay that shipping tax and fees, so it climbs pretty quickly. Yeah, before we get into the shoes, I gotta plug the channel. Please like, subscribe. It's free to subscribe. Just go ahead. If I have any first-time viewers of the channel, I appreciate the subscribe. We do unboxings mainly, some wear reviews, a variety of stuff, but mainly unboxings and sneaker reviews. Also, I'm streaming on Twitch for all you gamers. Please look at my YouTube channel. You'll see the link. Go follow me. I'd appreciate it. Mainly playing Apex Legends, but yeah. Anyways, here is the box. This is gdragon's second collaboration with Nike. His first I guess actually his third, but second silhouette, second model, because his first two collaborations with Air Force One, the all black version and then this white version. Love these. Check that unboxing out. This is like probably not only my favorite Air Force One, but I don't have many favorite Air Force Ones. I'm not a huge Air Force One fan, but I like this shoe so much it might crack my top 10 sneakers that I own. Really like this shoe. So this was his first collaboration, or second, depending on how you look at it, second colorway of the Air Force One that he did, and really like it. And now he's moved on to a dress shoe, and you can see from the design of the box, it matches the perforations in a wingtipped or brogue style shoe. Yes, here's the side, what's said on the side: designed and tailored exclusively for PEACEMINUSONE. That's his music label, I'm pretty sure. Now, I might have Korean DNA, but I am far from culturally Korean, so I gotta be honest, keep it a buck. Not a huge G-Dragon fan. He is a Korean pop star, rapper, artist. Big following there, maybe big following here in the States, but I do not personally follow his music a ton. And here's the official name: the Nike Kwondo 1 by PEACEMINUSONE in size 5.5, my lady size. I'm going to bring her in a minute for the unboxing, and she can try them on, get her first initial opinions of these. So I apologize if I repeat anything later on. But yeah, the wingtip original, I did a quick little wiki, or brogue as they're called, originated in Ireland and Scotland, and they used to be kind of an outdoors work shoe, and it's kind of funny how time changes things, and now they've turned into like a dress shoe. So yeah, you have the pattern on the outside of the box that will match the shoe, as we'll see in a second. All right, we got the owner of these shoes here now. Let's do the unveiling. I'll let you do the unboxing. Go ahead.
Me? Very excited about these. I like the box. Just first off,
yeah,
I really
matches
like
the style of the shoes.
I'm enjoying Nike
and
doing
for
that.
the record, so we're not putting ourselves out. I said I'm not a G-Dragon fan. Neither are you.
No.
You just like the shoes.
I just really like the shoes.
Or the pictures so far.
Yes.
You got the PEACEMINUSONE wrapping.
Yeah.
Branding on the paper. All right.
Ooh. These are nice.
Yeah, this is not your typical Nike shoe.
I'm very excited about these.
This reminds me of the time that
wingtip, that golf shoe, that platform.
Yeah,
that
it is.
Nike.
It is kind of like a platform.
It looks
Thick
platform.
sole.
Yeah.
This reminds me of the time when Nike and Converse owned Cole Haan, and they did a lot of Cole Haan was dress shoes, and they would put the Nike lunar lawn technology in the sole, and they had brightly colored soles, but they were dress shoes on tops, wingtips and stuff. I have a pair actually of not lunar lawn, I think midsole, but I do have a pair of Cole Haans.
I will say really quick, this is nice. So
Put it in the frame.
it's double tongued, which I could see in the picture, but what you couldn't tell is you can take out the top tongue. It's just held in through the laces. So if you don't like this style, which I really like.
It's kind of like a cleat.
Yep. You can take it out and just have this white tongue underneath it. So that's really nice just to have the option.
That's cool.
I will say I am going to swap, just looking at it right now, these laces with the yellow ends.
The yellow tips.
Because I really like that.
I have -1,
Yeah.
if you can see on the ends. Yeah.
But I'm going to swap those for these. But
makes it look like the daisy, which is their logo on the back. -1's logo.
But I
Real
plan
quick,
to keep this
here,
one.
before you put that on, just to compare this, show off some of the details. You got the double tongue action, -1 crossed out, the logo there on the middle, and then 2 different tongues here, -1 and the logo, and then Nike logo on that one. Are you thinking you're going to leave these on? Okay, cool.
For now, anyway.
And then 2 different laces with different tips, different logos on the stitched inside on the insole. Leather. I don't know if you can see that. It's like a matte leather insole. Daisy logo embroidered on the back, just like on here on my Air Force Ones. There you go. Opposite though, black daisy on these. And it's the
like
different.
cleats, like golf.
Oh yeah, like little cleats with daisies on the bottom of the heel and mismatched logos also on the inside here. I'll let you put on one while I keep showing up. Oh, and what do you have on? Show what you have on. Appropriate for today, 420. The shock drop was a cluster. I missed out. 2 different phones, desktop errors. She missed out. Shout outs to regular viewer of the channel. I think it's Nowie. Drop a comment. He hit on a pair of the lost and founds. So thanks for watching, being a loyal viewer, and congratulate him on that W, where most of us, I think, failed. But as you can see here, very interesting design. You got the still like stitched mid panel of like a shoe, and you got the signature swoosh, but you have the wingtip style upper toe box here with the punched out holes and stitching. So it really is a blend of this like wingtip or brogue shoe with an athletic like golf shoe. It's a very interesting amalgamation. Again, this isn't my type of shoe personally, but I really like outside the box things, and I like pushing the limits of design and concepts. So I this will always stand out. If you look back in the years of Nike, standout and interesting Nike shoes, this one would have to be put in there because this is not something they put out every day. So yeah, let's.
I'm not sure if I did this part right.
I think so.
Tell me.
Yeah, I think so. It reminds me of old, for me, soccer cleats would have the long tongue. Let's put that in frame there.
But just right off the bat, I am a fan. I don't know if I'll keep it on forever, this part, but I definitely will for the first few wears, just to wear the way they sent it. I like the tongue.
Yeah. Those look even better on.
I knew they would.
I really like the embroidered daisy on the heel.
Me too.
Kind of fire. What do you think, what's the fit looking like with these?
I was kind of going to throw on for show day with black slacks.
So she works in the production and entertainment industry. So you'd wear what again?
I was thinking I've got some nice Zara black slacks that I like. Or, I mean, you could even dress them down a little bit. I've got those black jeans with a hole that kind of they cut up higher just to really show off the shoe more. But
I like slacks
kind
with
of
it.
feel in my slacks with just a simple button down.
These could also, I feel like, go well with on a summer day in the summer with a skirt.
Oh yeah, I got that
Different
black
types of skirts.
sport.
Yeah, a pleated skirt or a long dress too. I think this would look like sporty with a dress.
For any women watching who purchase these, or did they come in men?
This goes up men's sizing.
So then to anyone interested in getting them, I will say, so I am a 5.5 youth, 7 women, and it's about as tight as I comfortably wear a pair of shoes. I think it is. You can definitely tell there's less space between the base of the shoe, the platform part, and like these are very, I have got space in my arch and my toes. These are very tight. Comfortable
Snug.
Still, but they're
snug.
I'd go as far as to say tight. But if you need to wiggle your toes, maybe go up a half size.
Okay.
But they're comfortable. It's a comfortable tight.
Also, this seems like leather. Seems like if you wear them enough, it
stretch.
will stretch a little bit.
Yeah.
And once you break them in and it molds to your foot more,
But
I would think they'll feel a little bit better. But
a fan of these.
But yeah, a little tight to begin with. So yeah, if
Yeah.
you're unsure, go up half size. You might have to wear thicker socks.
Because I'm just wearing like the Vans, socks right now, the little footies.
Or be prepared to need to break them in, wear them in, and maybe go thinner socks.
Right off the bat, I'm a big fan.
Okay. Well, you also, you have these cotton socks. If you wore like a dress, the thin nylon socks might feel better.
Yeah, I'm sure it would. But yeah. I
like those. Like, I think it might be too much, but I think it'd also go well. You know those socks with the frills around this? Yeah, I think those would go well with these too.
Cute with a dress or a skirt.
Yeah. I like these more now. Personally, that I see this can be removed. I could see myself wearing these with the extra tongue removed. Are you gonna do it? Yeah. Show them quick, and then lace it back up. Yeah. It's what we do for content. Oh, you're gonna unlace these anyway.
I'm gonna switch them anyway.
Yeah.
But so I'm gonna lace it back up. It's just it's only like through 2.
So you just have to remember how to do that.
They just did it underneath. So this is what it looks like undone.
It's a little padded.
Yes, it is. So they had it crisscrossing underneath and just coming out the top, so that way it didn't push out too much. But that's what it looks like there. Oh yeah, look at these bad boys. Oof.
And this is like a thick rubber. It's all one material here. I don't know if I don't think there's an air unit. How padded does they feel when you're standing on them?
Not terribly padded. It's kind of just like one slap.
So maybe these aren't all day walkers.
No, I wouldn't wear them in Disney World. Shout out to ABC.
Oh, look at those. I kind of like them like that too.
Very nice. I'm a fan.
I like them both ways. Yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't walk around all day in these, but where I sit most of the time during the day, these.
That's kind of fire.
I know. You were sleeping.
Well, these I think retail for $190. So I was actually kind of surprised at the retail on these. I thought they would be higher retail, but they're $190 retail. And in the I was saying before in the video, in the small sizes, they're all sold out, just like the Skylines.
Oh, really?
My size, the bigger sizes, they're sitting. So it's kind of interesting. Definitely smaller size people and probably women like these. Are digging them.
Well, you can dress them up or dress them down, and they're classic. They're black and white, but then they're dressy and they're sneakers. You can't go wrong. And I've not seen one pair of Nikes with that toe yet.
Shoot, I should. If this room was cleaner, I would take the phone off and show the full look of them. But you get a good view there. You get a good view.
Yeah, just giving them an overhead with them. But yeah, so I'd wear them both ways. Both laces nice. Just give you the extra pop of color and all.
All right, we took them outside so you could get the full fit look. Look at that on feet. The full fit look. Got the ACG Nike hat. That's actually this. You could just wear them like this.
Maybe I'll wear them to the car wash later.
Yeah. Wear them like that. So what are we giving these?
So I am gonna give them. I love them. But I'm going to give them a 7 because they're not an everyday shoe for me. That would have probably brought them up to 8, 8.5. Like, these could be an everyday shoe. Just throw those on. These are a special occasion shoe for me.
Okay, you're a little stingier with your ratings for liking them that much.
I know.
Like, I like these more now that I see them, especially since you can You can kind of customize them like that. They're adjustable. So I was a little, maybe even into the 5 range, but like seeing them like that, I think we're bumping them up to a 6 for me.
Nice.
I think they're maybe not for me, but I really like them on you. Maybe even like a 6.25. I do like them. So I do like them, maybe just not, yeah, for me. So 6.25 for me and a 7 for you.
Yes.
And 7 for you is really liking them, and a 6.25 for me is like a low thing because obviously I didn't buy these for me.
Like I said, if they were an 8, I would have given them an 8 if they were more of an everyday shoe for me, but they won't be, so I'll keep them a 7.
All right, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, do all the things. Peace -1. Hey-o.